This video demonstrates how to prepare a powder sample for scanning electron microscopy. First of all, one needs to use gloves when preparing samples so that one does not contaminate the vacuum of the microscope with oil from one's fingers. Following items will be needed to prepare a sample: air duster, double-sided tape, spatula, tweezers, scissors, and a sample mount. First of all, we cut a piece of double-sided tape using the scissors. We will then put the double-sided tape on the top of the specimen mount so that we will be able to put our sample onto the double-sided tape of the specimen mount. Press down and make sure the specimen mount sticks to the double-sided tape. Once the double-sided tape sticks to the sample mount, remove the backing paper using the tweezers. The next step will now be to mount the powder sample onto the double-sided tape. Powder sample is the white powder shown in this vial here. And what one would need is not a lot of sample, because one is going to magnify the sample in the microscope. So one would add some of the sample to the spatula, as demonstrated here, and then use the spatula to deposit some of the sample so that it sticks onto the double-sided tape, as demonstrated here. The next step is to make sure that the sample sticks to the double-sided tape by pressing down on it using the spatula. One must be careful not to damage the surface of the sample by pressing too hard with the spatula, because one would not want to change the surface properties of the specimen. Final step is to remove any loose powder that may be stuck on top of the double-sided tape by using air dusters such as this. It's a chemical that's under pressure in a can, and one attaches a nozzle to the spray and just squirts the sample until all loose powder is removed. Once this is done, the sample will be ready for the next step, which is coating using a gold sputter coater.